You're okay, Mama. You're fine. It's your first bath, probably in your life, Jolene. Good morning, everyone. This is Amy with 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. We brought Jolene down to the ICU unit because we gave her a little sedative because she's so fearful and we didn't want to stress her out. So we brought her down to basically do an exam, some blood work, vaccinate, microchip, and if all was well, we were going to take her into spay. So she got the blood, and while we were waiting for the results, we found she was already spayed. We found she had a microchip that was never registered, and sadly, we found out that she is heartworm positive. So we are so happy she's already spayed. One less thing. We are so sad that she is heartworm positive. And this is what happens when these dogs are forced to live out on the street. Right now she's sedated, so we figured we'd give her a bath. We trimmed her nails. We checking for a UTI, took some urine. What else have we done to her? Cleaned her teeth. And she's still sedated. And Tiffany is comforting her. She's okay as long as you're holding her. And yeah, so with that being said, such a roller coaster ride for these dogs. While we were so relieved and happy that she wouldn't have to go in for surgery for spay, sadly, she will have to go under treatment for heartworm because she is heartworm positive. So we're going to get her finish up on her bath. Wait a little bit. We're going to vaccinate her. Again, she's already microchipped. We will put our name on the microchip. And then we will get her back upstairs, comfortable with fresh bedding and blankets. Sorry, it's a little loud back here. There's a lot going on. But we just wanted to give you an update. We're asking, please, for your support by donating to allow us to cover her heartworm treatment and all her medical that's needed. Here's our baby girl. Nina, she's heartworm positive. So, what? Dr. Clark just said she's a little bit anemic as well. We dewormed her in the food. What do you do for the anemia? What would we do for the anemia?
If it was parasites, you treat the parasites in the body, will take over.
Which we've already done, but maybe do a recheck on a fecal or something while we have her sedated. So Dr. Clark's going to do a stool sample and recheck a fecal, recheck for any kind of worms. She's a little anemic. We did deworm her already. We gave her Blvd. We gave her a cap star to kill off any fleas. And now we have to start her on doxycycline immediately for the heartworm. So how the heartworm treatment goes is 30 days of doxycycline, 2 months back-to-back of HeartGuard, and then she will receive her first injection of imidacide. 30 days after that, a second injection. 24 hours after that, a third injection. And then that should clear up her heartworm. She's starting to wake up. Okay. It's all right, Mama. She's still emaciated. Came in at 24 pounds, you can see. We've been feeding her 3 times a day. It's kind of hard because she's wet. But she eats like a champ. You hold her head, Tiffy. Okay, Mama. It's okay. You're so good, Jolene. So good, Mama. You're okay. All right. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Yep. Awesome. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off, and we're going to go tend to Jolene. Just wanted to update everybody on this is Jolene. Again, We were sedating her to recap. Jolene was found on the streets of North Miami after our friend Yvette from the Sheriff's Department reached out to us. She has a very strong accented ring around her neck from being tethered, emaciated, skin and bones. She has come so far with us in just a couple of weeks, learning to trust us. You're fine, Mommy. You're fine. She's waking up. All right, guys, signing off. 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. Jolene.